Really thinking whether they are doing silver jubilee or golden jubilee. Yes, ma'am. For them. Okay. So, respected heads of the chairs, my dearest teachers, students, all my brothers and sisters. So, my pranams to all of you. So really, they are doing a very good job, especially 18th batch. At the outset, I would like to congratulate and thank each one of them for conducting such a big event. And also they conducted a one NPL. It is more or less, it's a national premier league only. It's not Navodaya Premier League. So they set a very, formal manner and in all the way, especially when they're conducting the medical camp. They're not like, simply for the namesake, they are not conducted in a professional manner. So whatever the follow-up is there, everything they are doing till today. So they are set at this is as a one of the model. So upcoming batches they are going to follow them. They have to conduct in such a manner that so in order to success all the events. So they are taken almost from 1 year to organize this kind of events, and they also, if they are having some times, probably they would have conducted so many other events also, but unfortunately due to some other reasons, so they conducted the NPL and the medical camp in a very successful manner, ma'am. So thank you for your entire encouragement and support. And also we are planning to have a one parent launch at our campus. So I seek our madam permission as well as our alumni support to make one parent launch in the campus, ma'am. So thank you all. Thank you for this day.